Think like a programmer. Logic is key. Programming is about solving problems. To solve problems, you need to think logically. Every line of code you write is a step in a process. Think of it like giving instructions to a computer. If your instructions are unclear or illogical, the computer won't know what to do. Analytical thinking is also crucial. You need to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. This is called decomposition. By analyzing and dividing the problem, you can find solutions more easily. Start by practicing your problem-solving skills. Try solving logic puzzles or brain teasers. This helps you develop the analytical thinking needed for programming. Remember, a programmer is a problem solver at heart. Python, your stepping stone into programming. Choosing the right first language is important. Python is an excellent choice for beginners. It's known for its readability and simple syntax. This makes it easier to learn and understand. Python is a versatile language used in many areas. These include web development, data science, and machine learning. Learning Python opens up a wide range of possibilities. Start by learning the basics of Python syntax. Familiarize yourself with variables, data types, and operators. Then move on to control flow statements like if-else and loops. Practice writing simple programs to solidify your understanding. Organizing your data lists, arrays, and more. Data structures are fundamental to programming. They provide ways to store and organize data efficiently. Understanding them is essential for writing effective code. Lists are ordered collections of items. Arrays store elements of the same data type. Sets contain unique elements. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs. Each data structure has its strengths. Choose the right one based on your needs. Learn how to create, access, and manipulate data in these structures. Practice using them in your programs. Mastering data structures will make you a more efficient programmer. Algorithms, the recipes of programming. Algorithms are sets of instructions for solving problems. They are the building blocks of programs. Understanding algorithms is crucial for writing efficient code. Imagine you have a recipe for baking a cake. An algorithm is like that recipe for your code. It guides the computer through the steps to achieve a specific outcome. Start by learning about common algorithms like sorting and searching. Understand how they work and when to use them. Practice implementing these algorithms in your preferred language. Section 5. Object-oriented programming building with classes. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a powerful paradigm. It helps you structure code in a modular and reusable way. OOP uses the concept of objects, which have properties and methods. Classes are blueprints for creating objects. They define the properties and methods an object will have. Inheritance allows you to create new classes based on existing ones. This promotes code reusability. Learn about the 4 pillars of OOP: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Practice creating classes and objects in your programs. Start using OOP principles in your projects. Section 6. Small projects, big learning, putting skills into practice. The best way to learn is by doing. Start working on small projects to apply your knowledge. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Choose projects that interest you. It could be a simple game, a basic calculator, or a to-do list application. The goal is to solidify your understanding. Break down the project into smaller tasks. Focus on one task at a time. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Learning from your errors is part of the process. Section 7. Your coding arsenal, IDEs and tools. Integrated development environments, or IDEs, are powerful tools. They provide a comprehensive environment for writing, debugging, and running your code. Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Sublime Text are popular IDEs. They offer features like code highlighting, auto-completion, and debugging tools. Familiarize yourself with the features of your chosen IDE. Learn how to use debugging tools effectively. Explore different extensions and plugins to enhance your productivity. Section 8. Squashing bugs, debugging your code. Bugs are errors in your code. They can cause your programs to behave unexpectedly. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing these errors. It's a crucial skill for any programmer. Develop a systematic approach to debugging. Learn how to use debugging tools in your IDE. Use print statements to check values at different stages of your code. Practice tracing the flow of your program to identify errors. Section 9. Never stop learning, staying ahead in the tech world. The world of technology is constantly evolving. New languages, frameworks, and tools emerge regularly. Embrace continuous learning to stay relevant. Follow industry blogs, websites, and online communities. Experiment with new technologies and languages. Attend webinars, conferences, and online courses to expand your knowledge. The key is to be adaptable and a lifelong learner in this ever-changing field. Section 10. Teamwork makes the dream work. Collaboration in programming. Software development is often a collaborative effort. Learn how to work effectively in teams. This involves communication, version control, and code review. Contribute to open source projects to gain experience. Participate in online forums and communities to learn from others. Develop your communication skills to clearly articulate your ideas. Embrace feedback and be open to different perspectives. Teamwork and collaboration are essential for success in programming.